let's make this quick video real quick. Alright, so today I was lagging today, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was really tired. I wasn't myself. I wasn't my trading self really. But yeah, I just realized how beautiful this buy was. I definitely could have caught this buy if I was, like this morning I was really tired. I was exhausted. It's my first day back to the gym in a long time. I was extremely sore, so I wasn't in the monitor as much as I should have been. But I just realized how beautiful this was, because as you can see, we have this order block right here. And as you can see, look at this. Price filled out this imbalance, and we have a 15-minute block. It's so perfect. Obviously, I wouldn't have traded it from this tap here. And if we go to the 5-minute, which is where I base my, my bias, we have, we have the required 2 breaks of structure. So we have that, and as you can see, we were anticipating for price to take this out. And actually, before this happened, I think price was around here. On my Discord for myself, I said that price is gonna take this out, this high right here, and it did. I wish I can show it to you, but yeah, I really need to get that OBS software or whatever. But anyway, if I was my trading self for today, I would have took the risk and took this. Seconds. You already seen a beautiful area. Filled out an imbalance with a beautiful order block. I would have went to the 1-minute time frame, and I would have singled this order block here. I would have singled it out, and I would have put my stops right below here, below this, because that's a validation for me, because price mitigated this order block here with this wick in the higher time frame. There's a wick, but it's 4 candles, so it'll be right here, obviously, and my target would be right here. Good 1 to 6. That would have been so solid, man. Damn. And, it gets tapped into. It literally just takes off from here. Yeah, this was beautiful. I would have definitely took that. Like I said, I have my excuses why I was low inactive today. I didn't trade today. I traded yesterday though. I took this sell right here. I caught this move here, but by the time price came back, I already had my stops to break even. I took partials along the way, had my stops to break even. It is what it is. I still won at the end of the day. I only risked half of what I usually risk, which is $100. Yeah, that's 0.5% from my account size. So I was risking 0.25% or $50. And if I were to trade this, if I traded this, I would have done the same, because at the time I was looking for price to dip down right here so I can buy it from here. So if I seen this in time, then I probably would have split my risk in half. So that's about it for today, really. Doing my challenge right now. First couple weeks I wasn't really following my rules. I was down, but I brought it back up, and I'm like $100 away to get to break even. I needed to break even so I can do it again for free. And I really haven't lost a trade since the first 2 weeks. Last week was a winning week for me. I don't think I lost a trade last week, which is amazing. It's always good to know. Always good to see too. I actually had an alert here, as you can see, for buys, but it's like 7 o'clock, which is for NZD times, it's a good session, but I only trade New York session, so I'm obviously not gonna take that. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if there's buys from here, really. And yeah, for NZD, for NU today, yeah, obviously I had that fucking alert right here, so that's where I was trying to get in at for a buy. I really wasn't looking to sell this right now. And My bias for this one is still. So we can go higher from here actually. I'll be forgetting what my bias is. But, you know, we have our first break, second break of structure. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we haven't broken structure to the downside in a weekly. We're still bullish. This is still just, you know, a big correction and then for a continuation back up. I mean, that's what I see. Obviously, there's a weekly time frame, so it's not going to fold anytime soon. It's going to take a long time. Like, really long time, probably years. So, I mean, I'm probably going to buy this for tomorrow, really. Depends on where price is at. Now, if it were a New York session right now, I would be looking for a buy right now. Just look at look at this wick right here. Like, everything is rebalanced. But if it was New York, yeah, I'll be looking for a buy. But like I said, I don't trade Asian session or, you know, Sydney session, whatever you want to call it. So I'm obviously not going to touch that. SPX, I was trying to buy SPX. I also had an alert here, as you can see, to buy around here. Oh, it did buy. Well, I couldn't catch that. It is what it is. And yeah, I was just waiting for price to come down here, and then, well, you know, I gotta wait for break of structure anyways. I mean, we did get that break of structure right here. We had two. One. Yeah, two. Oh, wow. Hold up. Now that I look at it. Wow, that would have been nice, man. What time was this? Oh, 4 o'clock. Okay, I don't trade around that time. So that's my excuse for me to not take that. I would have took this and I would have put the stop at, you know, last point of mitigation, obviously, right there. And overall target would be just high, but I'll probably, you know, TP right here. That's good enough for me. Especially because this happened at 4 o'clock. Just about 4 o'clock. So yeah, that's about it, really. I mean, it seemed like my bias was right. It's just I just couldn't execute. I was just really tired, man. Like, I hadn't been to the gym in 2 months, and I was exhausted. Even though I got a good amount of sleep, I got 6 hours of sleep last night. I was still tired. But yeah, like I'm bullish on SPX. You know what? No, actually no. Hold on, let me show you. We have 2 breaks of structure here on the weekly. We had 1 right here. We had 2. So I could there's a possibility of price. If price comes down here, there's a possibility of it bossing off of it. Excuse my little brother, this little kid is too loud. But I wouldn't be surprised if it violates this and continues lower, if I'm being real. So, as of right now, speaking right now, like 7 p.m. at night. Yeah, I could see it coming down here. You know, if price is down here tomorrow morning, if I see breaks of structure to the upside, obviously I'll buy it because I also had this in mind here, just a little order block. I mean, no order block, imbalance we had. Little like imbalance. So, you know, I'm a little conflicted to be honest, but all I'm trying to say is I wouldn't be surprised if, I mean, obviously it can go both ways because it can only go 2 ways, but no, I'm a little bit more in favor of bearishness, but at the same time, this is an index, you know, at the end of the day, they're bound to go higher, so I also won't be surprised if it goes higher. But from what I can see right now, I can see it going lower. Oh, okay, no, okay. If prices isn't down here tomorrow morning, I'll sell it. Especially if we tap this right here, because this hasn't been filled out yet. So, like I said, I would have bought right here, right? So I would want to see price tap this area, starts going lower, you know, for London session, so I can sell it down here. And then I'll just wait what happens to this area right here. So yeah, I guess that's it. That's really it for today. So I just wanted to go over this setup here. Got it to take, and the trade I took yesterday. It was a winning trade, even though it stopped at a break even. Well, not really break even. I lost like $2 off of that shit because I had it just like little, like probably like 2 micros above it, above my entry. So, well, yeah, my entry was really it was really accurate too. I got in to this wick right here, literally to this wick. That was sick, to say the least. So yeah, like I haven't taken that much trades, man. Like ever since I had this rule-based type of trading, like I haven't taken much trades. And you really shouldn't be taking trades every day. I mean, you can, but you don't need to. So that's it for today. I'll see if I can make a video tomorrow. So I'll see y'all next time I make a video.